Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate difference between two dates in Excel. Let's get started. Among various techniques, we'll delve into the simplest and most expedient method to discover the time span between two dates. The ideal tool for this task is the dateDef function, and we'll go through how to use it. To begin, click on the target cell where you want the result. Start by typing an equal sign and proceed to input the dateDef function. Then supply the correct data in the right sequence within the brackets. Begin with the start date, enter the comma, and conclude with the end date. But there's a bit more to do. Add another comma and immediately follow it with Y for years to indicate that you desire the precise count of full years elapsed between the chosen dates. Close the brackets, hit enter, and voila, the result appears. This function can be easily reused for subsequent calculations. Simply click on the lower right corner of the cell containing the formula and drag it through the rows where you need the number of years calculated. Perfect. Excel will automatically compute the number of full years that have passed between the dates in each row. However, we still need to calculate the number of months and days. Let's continue and determine the number of months and days that have transpired between the two dates. We'll employ the same function but with a slight modification. Here's what needs to change in the formula. Once again, click on the target cell and follow the same steps. Begin with an equal sign, then input dateDef, the start date, comma, the end date, but this time instead of Y, enter M for months, since we're interested in discovering the count of full months. Close the brackets, and the result will appear right in the target cell. There's no simpler or faster way to determine the precise number of months between two dates. Now, what do you think should be added to the formula to calculate the number of full days? You're about to find out if you guessed correctly. As usual, start with the equal sign, dateDef, start date, end date, all separated by commas. Now to complete the formula, add T for days. Close the brackets and press enter. Calculating the number of full days is just as straightforward as finding the number of months or years. This method is universal and can be applied to compute date differences across any table with time data. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.